Hey guys, and welcome in a brand new video from Unlock Trading. In the video of today I will show you a new scalping strategy that can be executed on a 1 minute time frame. The strategy can also be executed on higher time frames for day trading and swing trading. Let's start with the video. Before we can continue, we must add some indicators and change the settings for the best performance. Go to Trading View and then the Indicator tab. Search for the Q trend at the first indicator. Next, we will also have to add the fluid trades at the first indicator by PMGEV. For the very last indicator, we will have to add the money flow index indicator at the one by Dreams Defined. Now we'll have to change some settings. Go to the Q trend settings and disable the trend line. Next, we will go to the money flow index and change the color of the plot to gray. Then save the indicator. Now all our indicators are set. I will first show you an example of a long position. For a long position, the first step is we want to see our rejection of the demand, like here. Next, we will wait on the Q10 to print a buy signal. We will enter only if the money flow index is on red or below it. So in this case, you can open a long position at this buy signal and place your stop loss under the demand zone. We will target a risk to reward ratio of 2. Before we continue, I want to introduce you to the copy trading system of Bitget. With the copy trading system of Bitget, you can copy professional crypto traders approved by Bitget. Once you started copying someone, this process is 100% automated. If you register using the link in the description, you can receive up to $5,000 in bonuses. And you will receive a lifetime discount on all trading fees. Now I will show you an example of a short position. For a short position, we want the market to reject the supply zone. Next, we want the Q trend to print a sell signal. But now we want the money flow index to be in green or above it. So we can open a short signal at the close of this candle and place your stop loss above the supply zone. Target a risk to reward ratio of 2. I would like to thank you for watching the video. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to like, and if you have any questions, comment them below. See you next time.